Hey everyone, welcome back to News Done Simply. President Donald Trump has appointed Brett Kavanaugh to be the next Supreme Court justice after Justice Anthony Kennedy retired earlier this year. But there's been a standstill in confirming Kavanaugh because of a sexual assault accusation. Christine Blasey Ford, a university professor, accused Kavanaugh of assaulting her during a high school party. However, Kavanaugh has contested that the allegations are quote-unquote completely false. Ford has agreed to testify sometime in the following week, but refused to do it this upcoming Monday. But many more problems are looming in the appointment of Kavanaugh. So what is the problem? To become a Supreme Court justice, the president must nominate you, which has already happened for Kavanaugh. But then the Senate, consisting of 100 members, must vote on the judge. Kavanaugh requires a majority to be accepted. And right now, the Senate is majority Republican, but the midterm and elections are fast approaching. There is a decent chance that the Senate could flip from being Republican to Democrat, and then Kavanaugh would most likely not be confirmed. But does it even matter whether the justice is Republican or Democrat? Yes, very much indeed. The Supreme Court is comprised of 9 judges who make rulings on cases that could affect the future of America. For example, the Supreme Court desegregated education, allowed interracial marriage, and legalized abortion. More recently, they upheld the travel ban that Trump placed on several Middle Eastern countries. Right now, the court has 4 Democrats and 4 Republicans, meaning Kavanaugh could create a majority. If the Republican Party has a majority, they could create or change laws that align with their party. Whereas if the Democrat Party wins the Senate race, they could wait until the next Democrat president comes into power and appoint their own judge. Either way, judges impact the future of all of us here in America. Please remember to exercise your right to vote this upcoming midterm elections if you are eligible. The odds may be on his side, but will Brett Kavanaugh become the next Supreme Court justice? Moving on, you may remember the video on Argentina and their abortion vote. Well, Ireland had their own recently with very different results. Ireland legalized abortion, and the health minister, in an effort to avoid deaths or injuries, wishes to make it free to get an abortion. Many in Ireland are ecstatic with the new vote, but many others feel that it violates their religion, mostly Catholicism. With these 2 votes that happened in the last couple of months, will other countries begin to have their own? Thanks for tuning in to News Done Simply.